are you thinking about cutting your own bangs and you're still not sure? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you should get bangs. The first reason why I think you should consider getting bangs is if you want a change in your life. If you're ready for a change, you need to feel that you took a risk, you want to change the way you look. You know those moments when you want to just close a cycle, a bad moment in your life, and you have this great idea that a hair change is what you need to do, then consider getting bangs. It's the ultimate closing cycle hairstyle. And I really think you might fall in love with them, and it can boost your self-esteem and just move on to better moments, better experiences in your life. A second reason why I think you should consider getting bangs is if you're conscious about your forehead for any reason, because if it's too big, if you have wrinkles, if you're self-conscious about your forehead, then definitely consider getting bangs. It's really self-explanatory, but bangs cover your forehead. We don't have to love every single aspect of ourselves like we see out there. It's okay if you just feel conscious about it, and having bangs is just a way to feel better about it. That's the truth. Another reason why you might want to consider getting bangs is if you love that effortless Parisian look that bangs comes with it, because I don't know what it is, but bangs always gives something different to your look. Even if it's a ponytail or whatever it is you're wearing, having bangs just makes it a little bit better, but always feeling very effortless. So if you dig that look, then get bangs. Another good reason why you should consider getting bangs is if you don't want to wear makeup every day, or if you don't like to wear makeup every day. Again, having bangs gives you something already going on in your face, and you can get away with not wearing anything and still looking polished. It's just the power of having a fringe. I don't know what it is. It always makes me look put together even if I'm not wearing any makeup. If I just style my fringe, I look already done even if I'm not wearing anything else. A fringe might be for you if you want to change the way you look every day. It's so easy to change the way you look when you have a fringe, because you can wear it like that to the front, but you can also wear it in the middle, you know, like more 70s style. You can just like style them like that, or you can just style them to the side and then you have a complete different hairstyle, or you can pin them and have no fringe at all. It's just so easy to change, and if you like to look different every day, then a fringe might be for you. I know this next one is going to be a little bit controversial, but I really think that having bangs makes you look younger. I don't know what it is, but having bangs make you look like a 12-year-old, and I love that. I want to look young for as long as I can, and I think that having a fringe makes you look younger. Now, how much time do you spend on your eyebrows every day? If you want to not have to care about your eyebrows, or if you don't care about your eyebrows, then having a fringe is the best option. You don't have to do anything about them. I still like to brush them with a gel so they stay put, just in case it's, I don't know, windy outside and they get uncovered, but you definitely don't have to, and no one is going to see your eyebrows, not even yourself, so you won't care about how your eyebrows look, which saves so much time. The next reason why you should get bangs is if you like to bring attention to yourself. If you want to be the different one, if you want people to remember you by something, get bangs. You're just going to set yourself apart from everyone else that has the same hairstyle. Even if someone can't remember your name, they're going to say the one with the bangs, and everyone will know it's you. And if by now you're still not sure if you want to get bangs, then definitely go and check the video that I have where I tell you 10 different reasons why you should not get bangs. And if you have another reason why you think someone should get bangs, leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, Lynn!